Why are there not more people talking about Epson printers and their black ink drama? If your printer is acting up, don't worry. Here's what you need to know. First, check if your printer is out of black ink. It sounds simple, but it's the most common problem. Open the ink compartment and see if the black cartridge needs replacing. Next, make sure your cartridges are installed correctly. If they're loose or not clicked in, your printer won't work right. Take them out and put them back in until you hear a click. If you still have trouble, try running the printer's cleaning cycle. This helps clear out clogs in the tiny nozzles that spray ink onto the page. You can find this option in your printer's menu or on your computer. Also, check your printer settings. Sometimes the computer is set to color only or grayscale, which can mess things up. Finally, if nothing works, the print head might be clogged. You can try running a deep clean or call Epson support for help. So next time your Epson printer won't print black ink, remember these simple steps. Most problems have an easy fix.